Now this question bank is shared by CBSC. So here you can see all the question answers with MCQ questions and all the case studies. So the November exam question bank already CBSC has shared, from where you can find out that your full syllabus MCQ test, case study test will be in November. So before that, you have to complete your full syllabus. That means in October we have to revise it. So I will show you this. I have already shared with you. So the case study will be given to you, and you can see here statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. It is very easy because you already know the programs. Since it is a CSV file, first line will be import CSV. So the answers are also very easy. You can see here, you can easily answer. Try to answer the question. Like here they have given, Rohit, the student of class 12th, is learning CSV file module in Python. During examination, he has been assigned an incomplete Python code shown below. To create a CSV file, student.csv. Content shown below. Help him in completing the code which creates the desired CSV file. So this file you have to create. You can see here the roll number, name and the class. So this CSV file. Now to create a CSV file, the code they have given here, incomplete code. First line, you already know what will be here in statement 1. Switch on your mics, all of you. Fast, this one is the
import CSV.
very good. Import CSV. Clear? So 1 marks question. So first one is import CSV. Without seeing the option, you are able to give the answer. Then I will show you the option also. Now then it will be very easy for you. Second line will be the name of the file given here is student.csv. You can see here the name of the file is this. Yes. So second line, tell me the statement 2. fh equals to open. First argument will be,
The name of the file.
yes. So in single quotes you will write, yes, student cs comma csv dot csv. Then this file you are using to write. So for writing, what do you write here?
CSV.writer.
CSV.writer. And the second argument here will be for writing in a file,
W.
W. Very good. Clear? So this will be W, this will be writer. So I think this time all will get full marks, 100 out of 100, because it is very easy. Yes, now here you have taken the data, roll number, name, class and section, and this record REC equals to, now here you can see this record is having all the datas. Now how you will write all the datas in square bracket? What you have to write? These 4 which you have taken. That is roll number, comma name, comma class, comma section in quotes. Clear? These are the datas, not in quotes. These are the datas. So variables directly you will write roll number, comma name, comma class, comma section. So this will be a list. Now when you will append the record, it will be added in data. Data is a list. So nested list you will get. Now writer dot. Now what you have to write here? To write what you used to do, single, these are many rows you are writing. So what you will write in statement 5? You were using write row and write rows function. So here multiple rows, since it is outside the for loop, multiple rows you are writing. So the answer will be write rows. So check your answers. First one CSV, very good. Second one you told it was student.csv and W you told. So student.csv, W is your second option. First option school.csv is wrong. The name of the file was student.csv. So B option will be correct. Now The next one was your writer, and what you have to write in it, that is FH. So here the answer will be writer, and FH you have to write in it. So writer FH. Next was your all the variables, that is roll number, comma name, comma class, comma section. So your option will be D. Only this much till section. This is extra. Next, here multiple rows, since it was outside the for loop. If it is outside the for loop, you will write rows S. If it is inside the for loop, means one by one row you have to write, there you will write row. S will be missing in that. Clear? So if you are writing inside a for loop, then one by one record you are writing. There we will use the D option. Since in the question it was given outside and all the rows were appended, so we have written there write rows function. It is clear how to select the answers. So this November all the MCQs will be there. You have to select the correct answer and be careful because you should not select the wrong option. Next question is your DAT file. Now this also you know how to create a DAT file, binary file, and here they have given two functions are there. One is to create and one is to display whose percentage is greater than 75. So already I think this question we have done before. So you have to display the name and percentage whose percentage is greater than 75. Now let us see, they have given the answer also with fill in the blanks, and you have to select from the option. So without seeing the option, anybody knows how to write in a file? What is the first line? Statement to open the binary file to write data. Now what you will write here? Anybody to open a binary file? Name of the file is, it is object. So here capital F is written. So capital F equals to open in bracket the name of the file. It is given in the question, which is student.dat. Here it is given in the question. And to write in a file, if you are asked to add at the end, you will use append mode. So AB you will use small letter AB. So here it will be small letter AB. We will check the answer afterwards. Clear? So capital F first line will be capital F equals to open in parenthesis, single quote or double quote, student.dat, comma, in single quote or double quote AB. Next, statement 2. To write the list L into file. Name of the your file is F and you are writing it. So while writing, which command we are using? Switch on your mic and give the answers. Dump we are using. So here dump, what you have to write in parenthesis, what you will write? L comma F. Binary file for writing dump, for reading load. So this you have to remember. So only two statements I think they have given here. Rest are here. Yes. Now in the next function, okay, the first two let us check with the answers first. So the first statement 1, F equals to open student.dat WB, it is correct. First answer is correct. Second option, second question was to write, so pickle.dump in bracket L comma F. So these two answers are correct. Now the third, fourth and fifth option we will start. So get student, we have to read the student and we have to check. So for reading, we will open the file in read mode. You can see here we have opened the file in read mode. Now how to read the file? Anybody can give this answer? Just now I have told you. Dump to write
No,
and
file name dot load.
very good. Clear? So here it was F. The name of the file was F. So the third answer will be F dot load bracket. So these or it will be, sorry, it will be pickle dot load in bracket F. You have to read the file. So pickle dot load in bracket this F, capital F, you have to write it. So this will be statement 3. Now we will check with our options also. So here the option you can see here, pickle.read. Now while reading you require pickle.load f. While reading you require a variable which will store the value. So here the first option is correct. So you can check here A, first option is correct. Now fourth is, which of the following statements are correct regarding the file access mode? File access mode, you can see here, R plus opens a file for both reading and writing. Yes, true. W plus opens a file for both writing and reading, adds at the end. False. This is false. Append A will add at the end. WB opens the file for reading and writing in binary format, overwrites the file if it exists, and creates a new one. No. WB for reading, only for writing. Sorry, this is not for reading. Plus is not there. So it is only for, WB is only for writing. So this is also false because here reading is written. A opens a file for appending, correct. The file pointer is at the start, sorry, it is at the end. Append means to add at the end. So this is also wrong. So only A is correct. So A you will tick. Next, which of the following statements correctly explain the function of seek? Seek already you have done, will put your pointer at a specific position. So moves the current file position to a given specified position. So wherever you want to read, start your task or want to read from a particular position, so your current file position to a given specified position. So wherever you want to start, suppose I want to start from the first, I will write seek, in parenthesis I will write 0. So this is over. Now the next question is, let me see, it is from which, only if else. So this is from 11th class revision 2. So this I think everybody can do it. Krishna is looking for his dream job but has some restrictions. He loves Delhi and would take a job there if he is paid over 40,000 a month. He hates Chennai and demands at least rupees 1 lakh to work there. In any other location, he is willing to work for rupees 60,000 a month. The following code shows his basic strategy for evaluating a job offer. Now, whatever is his pay, either he is taking the input, location he is mentioning. If location equals to Mumbai, so these two you can ask the user to enter, that enter your basic pay, enter your location. Now it is Mumbai. So statement 1, I will take it. So it is done. If it is Chennai, then statement 2, no way. So he don't want. If he is paid less than 1 lakh, he don't want to select. So same, using if else, this is solved. Now we will see the, okay. On the basis of the above code, choose the right statement which will be executed when different inputs for pay and location are given. Now this is very easy. If pay is 50,000 and his location is Chennai, he is from Chennai. Now what will be his selection? Statement 1, 2, 3 or 4. Anybody who can tell? Suppose his pay is 50,000, means they want to give 50,000 and the location is Chennai. So where you will come? Which statement? Location is Chennai and it is 50,000, means less than 1 lakh. So which statement?
Ma'am, statement 2.
Yes, statement 2. Good. Clear. So answer will be statement 2. And if he is given the job in Surat with 50,000, let me see, Surat with 50,000. Surat with 50,000 means neither Delhi nor Chennai nor Mumbai. So
Ma'am, statement 6.
statement 6. Very good. Yes. Statement 6. Next one. Any other city? pay 1. Same thing it is.
6.
Yeah, same thing. 6. Any other city? 6, yes. And they live with 5 lakhs. So he will take it. They live with 5 lakhs. So greater than
Statement 4.
4. Statement. I am happy to join. Yes, statement 4. Delhi with statement 4. And Lucknow with 65,000.
Statement 6.
Statement 6. 65. No. 65,000.
Statement 5.
Statement 5. I accept the offer. Okay, so these questions, I think it is just logical question. Anybody can do it. So statement 5. Very good. Now next is your dictionary is given to you. To dictionary, book and library. So this is also revision 2 from last year. And Ramesh needs to change the title in the dictionary book from crime to crime thriller. He has written the following command. No, this data will change. Here 3 he has to write. Book 3, crime thriller. Yes, right. Okay, option is given also. Now here, if you are asked to change crime to crime thriller, now what we are writing till now, the name of the dictionary is book. In square bracket, the index equals to the new value we used to write. So here he has written this wrong statement. Instead of the key here, he has written the value. So the answer will be B. He should write this answer. So this one by mistake I have only given the answer. Next, the command to merge the dictionary book with library, the command will be, now already we have seen the command to merge the two, in which you have to use update and then you have to use the second name. So library.update and then you will write the book when you want to merge book with library. Next, what will be the output of the following line of code? Print list library. So whatever library was having the complete, okay, it will be converted into list and the datas it will show 5 and 6 library. Let me see what is there in library. The keys it will show here. Let me see here, where is this? Yes, 5 and 6. Normally what happens, when you print the library directly it is showing all, but since you have written here list of library, it is converting into list and the keys it is showing. Clear? So dictionary 1 case study will come, so we have to practice nicely this dictionary. In order to check whether the key 2 is present in the dictionary book, Ramesh uses the following command. 2 in book dot key. By default also he gets the answer true. Yes, true. Now to check whether the name Madras Diaries exists in the, now Madras Diary was in values, so it will be Madras Diary in book dot value you have to write. Madras Diary was in library, so it will be library dot value. So yes, Madras Diary in library dot value. Yes. So here you can see Madras Diaries in library, it will be dot values. Where it is written dot values, second one. This will be the correct answer. We must use the function library dot values along with the in operator. So whenever keys, you know the left hand side, whatever is displayed here, this is your key before colon, and after colon whatever is displayed, this is your values. So when you want to show the values, check the values, we will write name of the dictionary dot values. But without writing key also, by default if you write the name of the dictionary, then only the keys are checked. You can write dot key also, that is also correct. Both are correct. So, but here without it is written, so only the keys will be taken. With reference to the above declared dictionary, predict the output of the following code fragment. Code 1. Okay. Now library equals to book. What will be the output? Library.pop2, pop2012. The third element will be removed. Print library without the third element, and book will be as it is. So book is copied into library, correct, but print library will not have the 0 1. Okay, let me check which is this is a dictionary. Dictionary means only the two value will be removed. Now you can check here, only the popped value is printed here. Print library without the popped value. Without the popped value. 1 2 3 4. No, this is wrong. Code 1 and code 2, what is the difference? Okay, one is directly book and one is dot copy. Then what happens? Okay, the copy function they are trying to explain here. Let me check here. Copy will have, this is without 2 and the same. Okay, so what is happening, if it is without, when you are popping it, then both it is removed, 2 is removed, and when you are making a copy and giving to library, then 2 will not be removed. Understood? Since copy function we haven't done previously, so I have to see the answer. Now this copy is a function which will make a copy of book and give to library, whereas this will share the same memory location with the library. Now what is happening, when you are popping 2, deleting 2, that is the key value of 2, from both it is deleted. So the answer you can see, from both 2 is removed. Whereas in this case, what was happening, when you have popped only from library, it is removed, but book is having the 2 value. You can see here, book is having the 2 value, but from library the 2 value is removed. But since we haven't copied here, the memory location is shared by 2, both the library and book, so it is removed from book. So this was a new thing which you are learning. Yes, now SQL, afterwards we will do it. Next topic when we will complete it. So next video we will make of SQL. Let us complete Python today. Networking also, next video we will make of this networking. So now let us see how many questions. Now this is over. Now stack and queue we have to do. So recursion, infix to postfix, this little bit we will do it. Push and pop, this is of stack and queue. So this also we will do in another one. Stack and queue, first let us complete. This is very easy, stack and queue, because already list you have done. So when you want to push it, dot append, you have to use it. So this I will explain you afterwards. First let us complete our binary. This is data file handling. So let us complete this. So this also you can do it easily. Now for searching, which mode you require here to open? Open in which mode? This is your dat file. This dash, first dash, statement 1. For display and search, which mode we write? RB mode. What happened? RB mode you have to write here. Clear? Next, statement 2. When we start, what we do here? Try except block.
Try.
Try. Very good. Next here, for reading, pickle dot
Load.
load, and in bracket F we will write.
Yes. Sir.
Yes. Now what you have to check, this you have to see from the question. The rest of the commands are same. Only what you have to check, that you have to see from here, search from roll number 1 to 10, separate list. Okay, I have to read the complete question. Arun, during practical examination of computer science, has been assigned incomplete search function to search in a pickled file student.dat. The file is created by his teacher and the following information is given. File contains details of students, roll number, name and marks. File contains details of 10 students and separate list of each student. So it is a list inside a list using dump it is written. Arun has been assigned the task to complete the code and print details of roll number 1. Now here directly they have given here roll number 1 and the column name is your roll number. If you want the index position, it is 0 position. So when you are loading it, it is loaded in a list. So index position you can take. So if you will write here, it is stored in rec. So what you will write in if anybody can tell, he will get 95 plus in board exam. Anybody can tell this statement? 4. It is very easy. Roll number 1 you have to search. You have loaded in rec.
If rec dot roll 0.
Rec in square bracket 0.
Yes, ma'am. Rec.
In square bracket 0 list you are taking, no?
Acha, yes, ma'am.
Square bracket 0, then double equals to
1.
1. Very good. Clear? So here rec in square bracket 0 double equals to 1. You yourself will come to know how much you will score in your board exam. If you are able to give the answer, obviously you will perform very nicely in your board exam. As well as in practical exam, Viva also, you will be able to answer all the questions because you have understood. Clear? So this you have to check yourself, try to participate. All the students I am asking to participate. Yes, always the last one statement is, what is the last statement?
F dot close.
Very good. Now you can check your answer. Without seeing the option, you have given all the answers. So first was to search in a binary, we write RB, correct. Then just now you have told try was your start of the search. Then load of F you have already told. Then rec of 0 double equals to 1 you have told, and F dot close you have told. So full marks you will get. Next, CSV file. So 5 minutes we are left with. So only last case study, let us solve. Now I think all the answers you know. Now see, wherever you have to search it, you just see the question what to do it. The first one is to open in append mode. So the answer will be, tell me this answer, first statement.
AB.
This is CSV file.
A.
Yes.
Only A.
Only A. Very good. Next will be statement 2 is doing open. This will be CW equals to, okay. What, anybody who can tell statement 2? Before writing, what we used to write? We used to use
Writer.
writer function. Before using write row, we were using writer function, no? Okay, we will see the options now. This you can tell. Open, then before searching, what you have to do? For reading, reader function. This is CSV. CSV file we are using writer function, reader function. So here it will be reader function. If condition as per the question. We will see the question now. We haven't seen the question till now. So these are the 5 statements. So first you have already told A, correct. Second, writer function you have to start. So writer, the name was given to you. So it was CSVF was given to you. What is the difference between first and second? No difference. maybe typological mistake, some typing mistake is here. So okay, writer, you all know writer and the imported, that was already given above, so that you will write. Then cw dot write row, this is for heading. Okay, so in this it was given to write the heading. Now three headings were given: title, author and price. So cw dot write row and the three headings we will give. Now next is to read statement 4. Already we have seen how we read it. In bracket we will write the name of the file. So name of the file is csvf, and csv.reader we have to write always. So csv.reader, in bracket the file name. File name actually is an object which changes as per the question. We were using F till now, so we were writing F. In question paper it is given CSVF, so here you will write CSVF. Now fill in the appropriate statement to check the field title. Now if statement was given, now here you have to check the field title starting with R. So field title, you will check it. Title, I think it was 0, and starting with R is also 0. So it will be A option, that is 00R. Clear? You can see here the field title is the first one. If it is author, you will write here 1. If it is price, you will write here 2. So field title is the first one. So for searching, if the name is R, actually here capital R is given to search. Okay, so the first one will be for title 0, and since it is a first character, that's why you have written 0. Okay, now if it is ending with R, what you will write here? Anybody? Ending with R? R of 0 is title only. Ending, for ending, what you will write instead of 0? -1. Yes, last character is -1. So if it is ending with R, it will be -1. Here instead of title, if author is written, then it will be, the first one will be 1. If price is written, then the first one will be 2. So I think all the answers you have done. Yes. So just keep on practicing. Now these question paper I have shared with you, just solve it. I will ask you each and every, we will practice more. So Q we have to do nicely. Then this is your from last year. You are finding that from last year, this is also from revision 2. Data type, all the data types, list, dictionary, tuple. This is also from revision 2. So from revision 2, many questions are there. Dictionary question is there, then this question. Okay, one text file question is also given here. Oh, we are having